Welcome to Tiptop Hacks. Did you know that the orange peel you usually throw away is packed with skincare benefits? Let's explore how it can enhance your beauty routine. Orange peel is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help brighten your skin and combat signs of aging. Dry the peels, grind them into powder, and you have a natural skincare remedy. Mix the orange peel powder with yogurt and honey for a rejuvenating face mask that can lighten dark spots and give your skin a radiant glow. Apply this mask twice a week for smooth, bright, and glowing skin. It's perfect for all skin types. Say goodbye to dull skin and hello to a natural, healthy glow, all thanks to the benefits of orange peel. For more easy and effective beauty tips, don't forget to subscribe to Tiptop Hacks.